What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Twin Pack. We back here with another video. In this video, I'm gonna do insane pulls. I'm probably gonna do like a 20 pull, 40 pull, 60 to like 100 pull. That's about it. If y'all like the video, like, comment, and you don't even got to subscribe. So stay tuned. What pull should I do first? Like a 20 pull, 40, 60. We gotta get like on like a straight road. But I know exactly where I'm at. I didn't know that road took me this way. Probably gonna have to find different back roads. I didn't know the road I took me all the way this way. Well, at least right here I can do like a 20 pull. Now 40. I'm gonna hit 40 right here. Make sure nobody. Could hit like a 60, couldn't I? No, I can't take shit. Nah, I should have took that road. I think that was that Dodge Hornet, but I don't think it was. I'm gonna hit this road. turkey would have been cooked. That was a little 60. Barbecuing this way. Oh, no, there's a curve coming up. I was gonna do like a 40 roll, like a 40. I came this way in a video. Man, I try not to go to like the same place. But I'm pretty, yeah, I already came this way in the video. I can already tell. I'm just gonna, cause I took it right last time. I'm gonna take it left this time. Last time. I've never been over here. I didn't know all this was back here for real. This tree look like finna fall down. They need to go ahead and cut it. Boss. stuck though. I be trying not to be doing too much where I'm on the road where there's houses, because you know kids be playing and stuff. So that's why I'm just cruising most of them, so I can like find a spot to well, there's no houses really to do the pools. That's a good spot to do donuts at. To slide at right there. In the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's a church, so I wouldn't recommend really doing it. But yeah, that has wide open space. Wide open space. Damn, that's the... No, it's not. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here, because it's just gonna take me back to the city. If you like the video, like, comment, and you don't gotta... Damn, I just messed it up. If you like the video, like and subscribe. You don't have to comment. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give y'all with the pull right here. Well, never mind. There's a curb coming up. But yeah, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and you don't gotta comment. Peace out.